Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Leo Learn English Online. I hope my videos are quite helpful to you. If you want to watch my previous videos, you can get the links in the description box. You can also type my name in the YouTube search box. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. In this video, we are going to learn the lesson Be Smart. We all want to be successful in our life. To achieve success, we need many things such as planning, confidence, hard work, perseverance, dedication, and the most important component is setting goals. So let us be smart. Champions aren't made in gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them, a desire, a dream, a vision. It is one of the best motivational quotes by Muhammad Ali, the American professional boxer. He tells us the truth that only working out, exercising in gyms are not sufficient for becoming a champion. Though gyms are open to everyone, not everyone can become a champion. One should be motivated to reach his goal. They should have a desire, a dream, and a vision of doing something great. They have to have the skill and the will, but the will must be stronger than the skill. Muhammad Ali has also said that the champion should have the skill and the will. We should have skills to do something, but apart from the skills, we need the willpower to do so. We should have the strong determination. We can do more than we think. We can if we work harder. Successful professionals thrive in the same manner. Many successful people have succeeded because of a lot of hard work, amazing determination, and willpower. Successful people have a great desire to achieve their goals. They have a strong willpower. They develop new plans to achieve their dreams and work hard day after day to make these dreams a reality. We all have natural talents. If we use that talent to set our goal in life, we can easily get success in life. Talent is a natural ability, capacity of a person. We all possess natural talents such as problem solving, creativity, writing, critical thinking, decision making, leadership, etc. If we identify our talents and use them to set our goals, we will be successful in our life. We shall not achieve our goal if we do not take action to achieve them. We will fail to achieve our goals if we are unable to act. To achieve our goals, we should follow an action plan. Let's jump in. Setting goals has two valuable assets, a sense of originality and stepping stones to illuminate the path. There are two important aspects in goal setting. One is a sense of originality. There should be novelty, uniqueness in our planning. And second is some process, steps that we have to complete to achieve our main goal. Thus, stepping stones are key to achieve our long-term goals and dreams. Goals put one at the helm of life. Pursuing them acknowledges a better future situation. They help to steer a course of life rather than simply drifting along and letting things happen. If you want to succeed, you need to set goals because they help us in taking charge of life very well. If you work hard to achieve them, you will be sure about a better future. They will also help us in taking a series of actions carefully, and we will take a right path. We will not allow the things to happen. Make things happen. Setting goals may appear easy, but for some it is quite challenging. Setting goals seems easy, but following through to achieve them is trickier. It is challenging. By paying more attention to it, we can achieve them. Fear of failure may be avoided in the absence of any goals. After all, one has to decide what one wants to achieve in the end. The fear of failure may stop us doing the things that can move us forward to achieve our goals. It doesn't allow us to try new things, to take on new challenges. When one fails at a task, we should not lose hope and give up in between, because only we have to decide the goals and the aims of our life. To accomplish goals, experts recommend a 5-step approach. If you want to achieve goals, you should follow the 5 golden rules suggested by the experts. SMART goals are a methodology of thinking that helps people reach success. SMART is a well established tool that you can use to plan and achieve your goals and get the success. It is a very useful way in defining our goals and making them meaningful. It can be used for small or big goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. SMART goals have a specific rubric. These SMART goals have a set of instructions or guidelines that we have to follow. Specific involves identifying a specific area for improvement. The more specific the area, the more refined the achievement of one's goal can be. Your goals should be clear and specific. Otherwise, you won't be able to focus your efforts to achieve it. Our goals should be simple and well defined. The more specific goals, the better the chances of achieving them. It makes it easier to set parameters and work towards the goal. For example, if it is building a house, what exactly is the capacity required and how long can it stretch? If our goals are specific, clear, then it will be easy to know where we are going, and it will help us to visualize our outcome. While building a house, we should know the exact capacity of the house and the time required to build it. Measurable. Quantifying goals provides specific ways to track progress against goals. This makes it easy to benchmark performance throughout the goal period, including areas to improve. It is important to have measurable goals so that you can track the progress and stay motivated. It helps us to stay focused, meet the deadlines, and feel the excitement of getting closer in achieving the goal. While playing football, one's exact role and the position has to be clearly defined. In the game of football, each of the 11 players is assigned to a particular position on the field. A team is made up of one goalkeeper and 10 outfield players who fill various defensive, midfield, and attacking positions. These positions describe both the player's main role and their areas of operation on the pitch. Achievable. Setting goals that can be completed in the designated period of time. Often these goals may act like stepping stones to help meet broader goals that further define a career. Achievable means attainable and not impossible to achieve. The goals need to be realistic and attainable to be successful. It should not create stress. As students, we can't become a president, a prime minister, but can hope to reach those heights in future. Realistic. It is important to create goals that are within one's current skill set or area of expertise. We should set goals that we are able and willing to work toward. We should have a realistic approach. Goals should be realistically achieved given the available resources, knowledge, and time. Building expertise takes time. So, expecting to become an expert in a short amount of time is unrealistic. Being realistic will make it easy to be successful at attaining goals. It is not possible to master a specific technique or skill in a short period of time. It takes time to be an expert in any field. The goals should be within reach and should be relevant to the life purpose. If defensive and not aggressive, the goal perhaps lacks realism. We must have the clear picture in mind and must have the ability to adhere to that picture. The secret of success is simply a plan of attack broken down into small enough steps so that there is always something to do new. We must have a clear idea about our goal and have the ability to bind to that goal. Time bound. Establish time parameters around each goal as it will help increase focus and accountability. Every goal needs a target date so that you have a deadline to focus on and something work toward. Our goals should have a specified time frame. The goals must have a deadline. To reduce weight, we know how to go about it. But without consistent time bound action, it never becomes a reality. While achieving the goal of weight loss, we should set a deadline. Giving a time limit can motivate to get started and stay on course. It may be exercise, diet, or stress free thoughts. All these have to be practiced and implemented without hesitation, doubt, or indifference, but within a deadline. Deadlines help us to achieve our goals because the goals without starting points and deadlines are easier to put off. Goals should have defined timeline including a starting date and a target date. The purpose is to create urgency. Visions, wishes, intentions, and dreams are all valuable. They spark of imagination and encourage us to define where we want to reach. In order to get there, however, we need to bring life images down to earth and plan to execute our strategies. The quality and quantity of energy we put forth directly impact the results. Life is something like a trumpet. If we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. Success is a walk in the dark, finding the right footing precisely, mastering the skills, and getting to the next place. All depend on how we approach and tackle the problem. The best way to get from where we are to where we want to be is to find the footing of our next step. When we take the next step, it should support and hold us without a crack. A SMART goal is helpful in goal setting. It helps us to focus efforts. It increases the chances of achieving the goal. So, dear children, you also set SMART goals and be successful in your life. I hope you would have understood the lesson very well. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Leo. Learn English online. If you have any suggestions, please write in the comment box. Thank you and best luck for your future.